Hello guys, welcome to our channel Home Decor PK. I show you in this video. Welcome to our ultimate luxury living room makeover. In this video we are taking you on a journey to transform your space into the glamorous retreat fit on for reality. Get ready to indulge your senses as deep into world of uh, opulent decor and the elegant essence. Join me as unveil expert tips and tricks creating a living room that are most beautiful and stylish, selecting the perfect color plates to choosing luxurious textiles and the statement lighting. I will guide through every step on the design process to your share with you design most useful and luxury rooms. Discover how to incorporate Palush seating to options of high quality flooring materials and custom built shelving the elevate your living space to new heights of luxury. We also share our secrets from the adding finishing touches that will leave your guests in awe, from the decorative and vases and sculptures, the elegant accessories and artwork. Whether you are designs to looking the revamp your space, the simply seeking inspiration from your next home renovations project over luxury living rooms makeover is sure to leaving you feeling inspired and the existed from to transform your own home into the glamorous retreat. So sit back to relax and prepare to be dazzled as we embark on this journey to create the ultimate luxury living room. Welcome to world of timeless elegance and the unparalleled beauty, and let make your dream to space as reality. A luxury living room decoration ideas I will share. Welcome to our channel. Luxury meets lifestyle. In this video we are delving into the realm